Are you tired of spending endless amounts of money on ChatGPT 4? Don't worry, today, I'm going to reveal how I use ChatGPT 4 for free without spending a single dollar. So, without wasting a time, let's move into the topic. Rather than upgrading to ChatGPT 4, consider using openai, which offers similar capabilities with several advantages. You can find more information and access the platform through the provided website link in the description. Once you sign up, you will be redirected to a new page where you can explore various options on the left side. Click on the Explore option to proceed. On this page, you will discover multiple chatbots, each capable of performing different tasks, from solving math problems to generating pop songs. Okay, let's try out a few and see how they work. Let's begin with something amusing. I've selected a chatbot called Love Coach, which suggests it specializes in matters of the heart. So, I'm gonna ask how to impress girls. Once we ask a question, please be patient, it will take 3 to 4 seconds to display on the screen. The chatbot has responded with a set of steps to follow in order to impress a girl. If you're truly interested in impressing someone, I suggest giving this chatbot a chance and exploring its recommendations. Alright, let's proceed to other chatbots and explore their functionality. This particular chatbot specializes in mathematics, so I'll ask for the formula for a plus b whole square. Impressive. It provided the correct answer. If you struggle with mathematics, I recommend using this chatbot to improve your skills and become proficient in the subject. This chatbot is specifically designed for creating GIFs based on various moods such as sadness, happiness, humor, and more. If you're in need of a GIF, I suggest trying out this chatbot to generate your own imaginative GIFs. This bot is incredibly helpful when it comes to generating stories. For instance, if you request a horror story, it immediately begins crafting one. It's truly remarkable and highly impressive. If you're a fitness enthusiast, this chatbot is tailor-made for you. It offers a plethora of tips ranging from weight loss techniques to enhancing your physique without relying on medication and experiencing any side effects. If you're frustrated with the PUBG game and seeking effective tactics to defeat enemies in battles, simply ask this chatbot for assistance. It provides excellent solutions to help you secure victory in the game. Moreover, it's not limited to PUBG alone, it covers other games like Free Fire, Minecraft, and many more. If you're considering investing money in a Python course, I would suggest opting for this chatbot instead. It has the capability to teach programming from the basics to advanced levels, making it an excellent alternative to spending money on a course. Moreover, this chatbot is capable of resolving any doubts you may have regarding Python programming. If you're interested, give it a try. As we wrap up, I don't want to spend excessive time discussing all the chatbots. Instead, I have an exciting upcoming video featuring a super AI tool. If you're interested, please like and subscribe to my channel for more AI-related tools and content. Thank you for watching, take care, and goodbye. I'll see you in the next video.